What up everybody, how you guys doing today? Today I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the 2024 version of Lewis from Target. Alright guys, so this thing went absolutely viral last year on TikTok, YouTube, everywhere basically. Everybody knew about Lewis for Halloween. And he was very not able to get, I don't know what I just said, but you could not get your hands on him because so many people loved him and wanted him. So of course they returned him. It would have been dumb if they didn't. And I decided I wanted to get him just basically for the meme, and also I think he'll get definitely a great audience reaction because the people that know it, know it. The big reason why he went viral is just because of the weird stuff he says. He says, "I am not a jack-o'-lantern, my name is Lewis," which is so just different. And somebody filmed it and was like, what the heck? And here we are. All right guys, so it looks like we have to open it from the side, which is interesting. This guy is waterproof, if you did not know that. Right here, we have one of his arms, which is metal actually, and it has some waterproof wires. And then we also have this branch thing that he also has. And here are some of the prongs. They look kind of snapped, but I'm not sure if they actually are because it's the same thing up here. So either all of them are like that or it's not a problem because these ones are like it too. Same exact thing, another arm. All right guys, and here is Lewis's head. Definitely not like a scary face. Definitely more of an inviting kind of face for a home haunt. So not really what I do, but like I said, audience reaction will eat this thing up and they won't notice. All right guys, right here we do have his clothing, and it's really nice actually. It feels definitely very good quality, definitely feels like waterproof clothing. Yeah, definitely not what I expect from Target or Pack. In this little bag we have the instructions, the adapter, and actually some U stakes, which are very good. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use them for him, maybe a couple of them. But yeah, definitely glad they included those. Right here we have an assortment of poles. Right here we have the hip connector with also the control box that is attached to it. Right here we have his hands, which are actually extremely detailed. Definitely surprised by that. There are actual like fingernail looking things, and there are also like age marks on here. Definitely really nice. I did not expect that. Alright guys, and right here we have the final part, which is part of the base, which actually has some support, which is great. And that is going to conclude the unboxing portion of this video. Now, let's get to the setup.